Okay. So, how to bring the blue into your classroom? It depends on the age, the interest, and also the location of the school, the teachers, and the kids. But generally, we can say that kids are driven by curiosity and playfulness. So I believe bringing always games or outdoor activities to the schools, or maybe better to say out of the school, let it be a playful game on the beach or a beach monitoring, or if you are not close to the beach itself, it can be any other water resources like rivers, lakes, and you can discover together what the water cycle is or how climate is impacting all the water resources.
Look for what you already do and look for the blue in it. Use blue examples where you use normally earth examples.
Sport is another good activity, what we can merge together with Blue Education. So it can be any water sport, for example. You can go stand-up paddling or kayaking with the kids, and they can pick up plastic waste from the sea or from the rivers, and later on you can evaluate it together.
And look for training if you feel you don't have the tools to bring the blue to the classroom. Look in your country, look for international teacher trainings.
Within the framework of our project, BlueLightS, training modules and webinars are going to be developed.
In the network of European Blue Schools, we have created a MOOC, an online course for you to follow in your own pace. So you will learn how to create your own blue project. The course consists of several modules that you can follow. One is on ocean literacy. What is ocean literacy? One is on really identifying a topic for your project. And then you have a lot of methodologies and a lot of experiences from other teachers who have already developed a Blue School project.
And know that the information that you are going to find there is useful, is reliable.
So in this course, you will also learn about the main foundations of a Blue School, which is first project education, how to do a project with your classroom. And secondly, it's about open schooling. Open schooling is working with partners outside the school, partners who can provide activities for you or bring knowledge into your classroom on the topic you are investigating.
And it will help you to develop your own blue project, ocean literacy activities, to apply to the network of EU Blue Schools. We are here as partners of the project to help you and support you. The first step that you can do is to join us, Community of Practice, where you will be able to find opportunities for funding, for networking, educational resources, ideas for blue projects. Please do it, because ocean is important. It regulates our climate. It gives us food and oxygen and energy. And through the ocean issues, you can have a multidisciplinary and interdisciplinary approach. You only are going to have benefits.
Go for it.